This is crazy. One day it's just wow. Dude, last night there was no snow last night. I went to sleep and I woke up, there was like this much snow. Just look at that. That's like 4 inches. You know, if I step out right now, my whole feet's just gonna sink in there. It looked like we had a blizzard last night, because like the wind's just been blowing. Look, oh wow. Yeah, that's crazy, man. In March. This winter storm in March. I thought it would be warming up, but nah. Look like we still got a little snow on the ground. Yeah, this is crazy, man. That's a lot of snow in one day. Not even one day, it's just been like hours. Alright, I think that's it for now.